Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm back here with part 2 of the one sheet wonder using one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and I shared with you in the part 1 video of this really lovely mini folio folder with a pocket booklet set, and I did show you how to make the folio folder in the part 1 video, and I will put that part 1 video down below in the description box in case you've missed seeing the video and a more detailed look of the inside. But I just wanted to come on and do part 2 and do the tutorial with the measurements for the pocket booklet that is inside the folder, as well as a kit that I put together that I'll have in my Etsy shop. I'll have 6 of these kits available, and I'll show you what's inside the kit after I do the tutorial for the pocket booklet. So I'll just quickly open this up so you can see where it is. It's this one here that's inside the pocket that I used some twine and a closure for the pocket, and it's this one here. And then you open it up, there's also another side pocket here where I'll place an envelope, as well as there's a fly in here, with another pocket here in the middle here, as well as some twine again that use to close the flap over here on the middle part here, which I have a note card with some vellum just to create a little flip page. But if you want the tutorial with the measurements, it is in the part 1 video. But this is the little mini pocket booklet that coordinates with the folder, which just opens up this way, and there is a pocket here where I placed 2 little tags that were cut out from the folder, and I made that into some tags. And in the top pocket is a tag shaped little booklet that I've made using some of my tea dye stained paper and some baking paper. So it's just a few little pages here. You can write some quotes or little notes. It's a cute little booklet, and that fitted perfectly in there. So that is the booklet. So there's 2 pockets, and there's also a little pocket here as well if you wanted to add some tiny ephemeras or little tags or little word sentiments. So there is a little spot there to tuck some smaller paper goodies. So that's that one. So I'm going to show you how to make this one. So in the part 1, I showed you the booklet tutorial using this paper here. So I've done the tutorial, and then there was another piece that we had cut out from that 12 by 12 paper. That was part of that folder, and that paper was that long piece that we had, and that was cut at 3 3/4, or the measurement is 3 3/4 by 12 inches. So that's the paper that we're going to use to make the pocket booklet. And then I'm also going to show you also how to make the tag shaped booklet as well. So I might do this one first, and then we'll do the pocket booklet after I do this one. This is just a very simple, straightforward little booklet, and all I've done to make this one, I just cut some paper at it's 5 inches by 4 inches, and then all I've done next was I just folded in half. You can use your scoreboard if you want to get a better crease, but I'll just fold it here. Just grab that. So then it opens up like a little booklet. And then what I do next, I'm just going to angle cut one corner on the top like that, and then grab one of those pieces and bring it over to the other side where there's that fold mark, just so that we have 2 even angles. And I just use that as a template, and then cut that out, and then you'll create yourself a tag shaped booklet. So just like that. I then grabbed some paper. You can use any paper or anything you like. You can use printing paper. I've just got some of my leftover tea dye stained paper. And I just cut the paper so that it would fit inside the booklet, just sort of inside the actual booklet, and just making sure it's just below the part that sort of points down at the hinge so that you don't see any of the pages. And then I just cut a couple of papers. You can cut as many as you want. Again, I just fold them in half and place them on top of one another. Then I line it up on that fold mark on the tag cover, and then just sort of line them all up, keeping them inside. And I'm just going to use my standard, just a standard stapler. And I'm just going to turn it upside down and just sort of line your stapler on the crease, and then just press. And then you'll have your stapler placed there, so it's now on the inside. And then I just do one more on the top. I'm just lining that up. I'm just going to press these in. I don't have a very good stapler here, but that's all I've done. And then I've just closed that up, and I've created a little mini booklet, and I punched out a hole up here to create a little hole for some trim, just to give it more decoration. So you can do that. You could also sew the pages together if you like. You can use some elastic and just tie some elastic to create the pages. So whatever you like, just to keep your pages together. So that's how I made the booklet for the folder. So that's that one. And now we can make the pocket booklet. So I'm going to just grab my scoreboard. And then you want to line your paper on the 12-inch mark. And then you're going to score at 2 3/4 of an inch, 2 3/4, 6 inches, and 9 1/8 of an inch. And that's the little mark after the 9-inch mark. So it's just 3 score lines. And I will put the measurements for this down below as well, so you've got that on hand. And what we'll do next is we're going to simply fold that in half along that 6-inch score line that we made. You're going to bring this first part over to the front. And then we're going to bring this one to the front as well. Got my images upside down. So you want to make sure you got your images the right way. So that is your booklet. So you've got your front page, you have this part, and then you have this part. And what we're going to do now, we're going to create a thumb notch like I have up here. You don't have to do that if you prefer not to, but I'll just make a thumb notch. If I can find my circle punch. Okay, all right, so I have it here with me. And what we're going to do, we are going to just open this one up, and we're going to make the thumb notch on this second panel. So I'm just going to punch a little notch just here. I'm trying to keep it in the middle between the 2 fold lines. So I've done that now. Bring that back and just close that up again. And then with this part here, what we're going to do is just make a little fold. So we're just going to bring this over and just create a little fold, folding it back, and you press that down. We're going to adhere the pages now so we can create the pockets. So that is what you've got, your page. So we're going to open this up. we are going to put glue just along the bottom here. So it'll be the panel that's got the little thumb notch. And I'm going to bring that over and seal that bottom part. And we can open this side now, and then we'll apply glue to this side. Just go all the way to that fold line. I'm going to bring that back and seal that off. And then we'll open this up and we'll apply glue just along the edge up to that score line or fold line. Just go all the way down. And we can close that up as well. I'm just going to, I've got some tags in here. And these tags will fit in here nicely too. So then you've created your front pocket. So that's all done. So there is your front pocket there, and then you also have a back pocket which will fit your little booklet perfectly in here like that. And then you've got your tags and they'll fit in there. I'll close that up, and that should fit inside your folio folder that we had done. That just goes in there. Then you add your string and that will keep that in place. Or if you like, this will also fit along the side here if you want to place it in on your side pocket. Or you can also fit it in this pocket here if you like. So you can also do that. So these 3 pockets will fit perfectly, just like that. And what's great about this little mini booklet, you can actually make 3 of these with 1 12 by 12 paper. All you want to do is you want to cut your paper at every 4 inches. So 4 and 8, and you'll get 3 pieces at 4 inches by 12 inches. And then you just follow the same score line measurements when you line it on the 12-inch mark. And it'll be just a little bit longer than this one because the height of this one is 3 3/4. So it'll be a 1/4 inch longer. So you'll be able to make 3 of these fun little booklets if you wanted to do that as well with a 12 by 12 paper. So I just thought I'd give you that little tip. And now for the kit, if you're interested in purchasing the kit, I've put together, these are what you will get, and I only have 6 of these available in my shop, and again they do sell out really fast, so hopefully you'll get a chance to pick one up if you're interested. All right, so what you get 2 doilies. You get one if you wanted to place it on your cover like I have here, and the other piece is on the inside here at the back, and then there is a spare one if you wanted to use that on another project. Again, you don't have to use these for this project if you don't want to. You also get some tulle for your closure. And then there is a little pocket booklet that I've already put together for you. You just have fun embellishing it. There's even room here to add another pocket or a smaller little teeny envelope here if you like. You can just have fun embellishing it and add whatever you like to the booklet. And this is the mini folio folder. I've just kept it together with a paper clip so that it just keeps it to keep it in place. So what I've done inside, I've already cut everything out for you. So you can see it's all been cut out, so you don't have to worry about cutting or scoring. All you need to do is just assemble it. So this part here, you just fold these over and just add some glue to the top there and there, and you just seal that off, and that will give you your side tuck pocket. So you're probably best to do that first, and then you've got these 2 little flaps. So one's for the pocket and this one's also for the pocket. And the reason why I didn't add the little tabs like I have here, they are inside this little vellum pocket that I just love making. So you will get this vellum pocket as well, and some some lace trim if you wanted to use this on any of your projects. So inside, let me just grab everything out just so I can explain and show what you get in here as well. So this is your vellum pocket, and you can use this as well. You can even place this in here, that should fit in there. Or you can punch a couple of holes here and you can add this to a planner or an organizer, or add it to a page insert in one of your journals. So you can do whatever you like with that. So that will go there. So as I was saying, you get these 4 tabs and they're double-sided. So that's the reason why I didn't do this part. I thought I'd leave that for you to have fun and decide what you want, because you can decide if you want that side and fold it over that way, or fold it that way, and then you just then place it onto your pocket here. So then you do this first before you adhere your pocket, otherwise you won't be able to get that in place, and then you won't be able to punch a hole. So then you can just decide which one you want to use. You can turn that one that way and then glue that one there. So then you have those two. So you can have fun deciding which one you want to use for these two and for this side. And then you just punch a hole, and then so you punch a hole. For example, once you've got that glued, you punch a hole there, and then you add glue just to the edge here, and then seal that off. And then this one just is left open. So that's how you do that. So you'll get 4 of these little tabs that I've made. Just try and get everything in place so you can see where everything is. So that's that. And then you get another little piece that I've already folded as well, and that will be for your cover, where you place that in the front here and punch a hole to create the closure like I have here. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. You can leave it the way it is. Again, this is all up to you, whatever you want to do with your folio. You get some of the trim for the closure like I have for this part, and then they're the 2 little extra pieces that came that was cut out from the folio, and these were the 2 pieces that I ended up making some tags, which I've just misplaced. I don't know where I put them now. I think I placed them in here somewhere. Sorry, here it is. So they're the 2 little tags that I made, and I just cut one shorter to make it 2 different sizes. So you get that with some trim. You get a little pack of fun little bits and pieces inside. You get some tulle. You get one of the little fussy cut flowers that I fussy cut, a couple of butterflies, a heart that I punched out. There's a couple more little hearts in there as well. So you could use that to embellish the front like I have here, or you can add it to the back of the cover to create a tuck pocket like I have. Again, you do whatever you like with this little pack of ephemera and die cuts. You get one of those, which is this one here. So you get that little fly. And there is the little note card, little mini note card. I've also die cut one of those lovely mesh sort of look heart, which I have in the front here. You get that as well. And the little note card with the lines with a vellum flip page that I placed in the middle pocket here. But again, it's up to you. You can place this in another journal if you like. And then there was a little gold paper clip to keep this folio together. So these are all the fun stuff that you will get in the kit. So I hope you enjoyed this part 2 video of the pocket booklet set tutorial and the little tag shape booklet. And I will have this listed in my shop very shortly. Again, I only have 6 available. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.